So here we have a figure, and we know the area of the shaded part, which is a square, right? ABCD is a square. We know the area of it is 16, which means we know the sides of this square are 4 and 4, because we know how the area of squares work. We also know that AC and BD are diameters of the circle. I'm just going to draw one of them. I'm going to draw BD. There's BD. And we know that's the diameter of the circle. What we want is the area of the circle. Now the thing you got to recognize here is, look at that. That right here is a 45, 45, 90 triangle. Now how do you know that? You know that because you know squares always have 45, 45, 90 triangles once you draw the diagonal. And if you didn't know that, you know that you have a right triangle with two legs that are equal. And the only way that happens is if you have a 45, 45, 90 triangle. Now, because you're so good and you've memorized your ratios for 45, 45, 90s, you instantly know without doing any Pythagorean theorem that this diagonal has a length of 4 radical 2. So BD is 4 rad 2. We want the area of the circle, which means we want the radius. So if the diameter is 4 rad 2, then the radius is half that, which is 2 rad 2. To find the area of the circle, we just do pi times the radius squared. 2 radical 2 squared, well, when you square something like this where you have multiple things being multiplied inside parentheses, that's going to be, we're going to do this in multiple steps because I see people mess this up enough. That's going to be 2 squared is 4 times radical 2 squared is 2. So that's going to be 8 pi. Answer choice D. Cool? All right.